The Paris Agreement established a very clear path towards a low-carbon future, and countries have committed in a very significant way to do that. Now, implementing those commitments is not easy, and for that reason, raising the importance of nature-based solutions that can be easily implemented if we compare them to other solutions is very relevant. It's very relevant also in order to raise ambitions and to be able to have more hopes of achieving the objective of keeping the temperature rise to well below 2 degrees and if possible to 1.5 degrees.